Ever felt like your ODOO database is more trouble than it's worth and you just need to wipe the slate clean? Don't worry, we've all been there. In this video, I'll walk you through deleting an ODOO database step by step, ensuring data privacy and efficient system management first. You'll need to access ODOO's database management interface typically. This is done by navigating to your ODOO instance URL, followed by /web/database/manager. If you're unsure of the URL, check your ODOO configuration files or consult your system administrator. Once you're on the database management screen, carefully review the list of databases. It's absolutely crucial to identify the correct database you intend to delete. Deleting the wrong database can lead to irreversible data loss, so double-check the name and any identifying information. After selecting the database, click the Delete button next to the database you want to eliminate. A confirmation pop-up will appear, prompting you to confirm your decision again. Read this confirmation message thoroughly. If you're certain you've selected the correct database, enter the database name as requested in the prompt, and then click the Confirm button to proceed with the deletion. Congratulations! The database will now be permanently deleted. Remember to refresh your browser to reflect the changes, and that's it. You've successfully deleted an ODOO database. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful ODOO tips and tricks.